You're watching Mark Anthony, the Vegas Tourist.
Hi everybody, Mark Anthony here, the Vegas Tourist, and recently I was going through some files and I came across a video I shot about 5 years ago up at Grand Canyon West. Now some of you ask about the helicopter adventures up there, and there's basically two of them. This is actually one of them, or at least part of it. So I thought I would post it, but I wanted to give you kind of the background on it. Okay, so what happens is up at Grand Canyon West, you've got Papillon, which is the Grand Canyon helicopter. You've got Sundance, and then you have Maverick. Well, Papillon and Sundance run basically the exact same tour. Now, all the helicopters fly the exact same path, and they fly in a regulated pattern. All right. So what happens is with Papillon, they will put you onto the helicopter, and you'll fly down to the bottom of the Grand Canyon West. Now, you really can't get much deeper than this, all right? You're literally on the bottom of the Grand Canyon looking up, all right? Then they put you onto a pontoon boat, and you float down the Colorado River for about 15 minutes. You are at the narrowest part of the canyon, and you're looking up at literally 3,000 feet of sheer cliff. It's awesome. It's amazing. Then once you're done with that, they will herd you back up onto a helicopter, whichever is the next one down, and then they bring you out. This is the video that I have. All right. Now, remember, it's about 4 years old, and it was shot on my first smartphone. All right. So here it is. There you have it. They bring you out, and then they land, and they unload. Both Papillon and Sundance do what's called hot load and hot unload. They do not stop the propellers. Maverick, by policy, they do stop the propellers, and Maverick does not do the pontoon boat. They have their own landing site down there with some tables down there, and you can actually get out of the helicopter, look around it, and walk on the edge of the Grand Canyon. So those are the two tours. I hope you enjoyed this little video down memory lane here. As always, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave me your comments and questions down below. As always, you can find out more information about this at thevegastourist.com.